HobbyKidsTV.
Looks like Just Ducky just got duckier. Look at all them ducks we get to open up. We have G through P on the alphabet of ducks. We have 10 duck eggs to go through, so let's get started. Looks like a green duck. Oh, I get it. G for green.
Ah, this is the life for me. Quack, quack.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Well, you must be an H, but what do you look like? Whoa, it's Hockey Duck. H for hockey. Yeah, go Ice Yanks.
Am I missing a tooth?
Oh, let me see. Doesn't look like it, Hockey Duck. What comes after H? That's right. I. What is this? Oh, I see. It's an ice cream sundae duck. I for ice cream.
Doody 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 doo.
After I comes J. You're right, J. What could J be? I wonder what kind of duck J is. Wait a minute, is this a joke? Yeah, it's a Joker duck. J for Joker. A joker is supposed to make you laugh. So laugh and the whole world laughs with you. Ha 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 ho 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 hee hee hee. Next in line, K. Gee, I wonder if it's going to be a kangaroo. Nope, it looks like a king. King duck, quack, quack. K for king. You're right. L's next.
Meh, meh.
Aw, it's a little lamb. L for lamb. So what do you think M's gonna be? Let's check it out. Let's see what M is.
Quack. Quack.
Well, that's what you get when you have a monkey duck. Hey, look, he's even got a little cute little banana. M for monkey. He's a monkey duck. And we have a little duck nurse. Oh, she can take care of all the ducks when they get sick. She's got a stethoscope and a little heart on her hat. N for nurse.
I need to take your temperature.
Uh-oh. That's right, we're on O. Maybe an ostrich? Okay. It's an orange duck. O for orange. Looks a little red to me, but O for orange. Please open P. Pirate! Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to sea we go. A pirate's life for me. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Quack. P for pirate. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Uh-oh, we ran out again. Q through Z. We'll have to open up these Play-Doh cans and see if they're in there. So, click on the next video. Please like and subscribe. And check out Hobby Mima's videos. Best toy videos. Bye!